Eagles, I'm Ernest. Today is Thursday, May 7th, and you're watching the Eagle News Network. This week, we continue to celebrate our teachers. Today, we ask that you send a quick video of appreciation to your teacher or just tell them through your morning meetings. Today's video is brought to you by a few of our 2nd and 3rd grade teachers. Now, onto the pledge.
Good morning, this is Mrs. Schmidt with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand and place your right hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Have a great day, Eagles.
Thanks, Ms. Schmidt. Mrs. Simone here with today's weather forecast. And I'm happy to tell you that today will be the perfect spring day. Sunny with a high of 75 and a 0% chance of rain. So make sure that you get outside and play today. Run around, work up an appetite. Speaking of appetites, Ms. Surkar, what's for lunch today?
Hi everyone, Mrs. Surkar here with the lunch for Thursday, May 7th. Today we'll be having turkey, ham, and cheese croissant, assorted fresh vegetables, assorted chilled or fresh fruit, and 8 ounces of white or fat-free chocolate milk. Have a great day!
Hello, Bartram Springs. We have one friend today who has a birthday. JC. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear JC. Happy birthday to you. From all of us, have a great birthday.
Good morning, Eagles. Today is Thursday, May 8th. This is Mrs. Muller, and this is your daily news update. Today is National Tourism Day. While we may not be able to go out and travel, we can all be virtual tourists. If you go to www.weareteachers.com/best-virtual-field-trips, you will be able to tour many popular tourist destinations all around the world, like the Great Wall of China, the Louvre, Yellowstone National Park, and more. Happy exploring, Eagles! We miss you and we hope you have a wonderful day.
Hey Eagles, this is Miss Townsend and I'm here to recommend 2 different books. The first book is part of the Pete the Cat series. This is for you younger students. This is the Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. This is my daughter and I's favorite Pete the Cat book. I like this book because it has different math components. It also has rhyming words, and you also get to follow a little bit of a mystery trying to figure out who took the missing cupcakes. For you older students, I really like the book, The Miraculous Journey of Edward Tulane. Mrs. Cox's homeroom and myself just finished reading this book in virtual school, and my students really enjoyed following the many adventures of Edward Tulane, and I think you will too. The reading lexile level of this book is 700. Hope everyone's having a great week. Bye, Eagles.
Hi everybody, it's Miss Jeter. I hope everybody's having a great day. We're going to do a science experiment today. We are going to make colorful rain in a glass. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a glass and I'm going to fill it with a bunch of vegetable oil. Fill it up really, really good because I want to be able to see all this. Okay, then I'm going to take my food coloring and I'm going to put drops all inside of we'll put a bunch of our vegetable oil. Now remember, oil and water do not mix. Okay, so let's keep putting a bunch of different ones. I have red ones, and now I'm going to put blue ones. See, I'm just dropping them in, all in the water. In the vegetable oil. Okay, so here we go. Let's keep going. Now these are green. They look really dark, but there's green, blue, and red. All right, I put a bunch of them in there. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it really, really well. So I'm going to take my stick and I'm going to just start mixing them. I'll stir it up really, really good and start mixing these all around. Mix them all up. The oil and the food coloring do not mix with each other, and this is called emulsion, when you can't get them to mix up. So if you'll notice, all those little dots are swimming around in the vegetable oil. Okay, and now we're going to pour this mixture into a glass or a vase of water. All right, we're going to pour it into a vase of water. And if you'll notice, all the oil is going to the top and the water is at the bottom. And then watch what happens to this when the colored droplets start making their way to the bottom of the glass where the water is, because they don't mix together. Now, I guess I did a lot of it here, so it's going to take a second to get it all the way down. As you can see how the food coloring is coming down to the bottom where the water is. And when it gets to the bottom, they start to dissolve. And you can see it all coming out. So it's kind of like it's supposed to be raining in my glass. See, all these little dots that are colored have all the food coloring, and eventually it'll all start to come down. See how it's coming down? And it's like it's raining in a glass. So you can even have rain on a sunny day. So I'm going to try to hold this up to the window so you can see it better. There you go. See how the food coloring is raining in the glass because the oil and the water do not mix. All right, there's your science lesson for today, guys. I hope you have a fabulous day. See you later. Bye.
Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Weeks. Well, that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this broadcast by some of your 2nd and 3rd grade teachers and Miss Gertie. We miss you and we can't wait for all of us to be together again. In the meantime, please be safe and stay healthy. Go Bartram Springs Eagles!